So here's something disgusting that I just found with my blender. It is a Rocket Extract Pro by Bella. I noticed that some of my protein shakes that I drink every morning were darker than they usually are, and so I just ran this and the top through the dishwasher twice. So I'm going to fill it up with water. So I filled that up with clean water right out of the tap. Let me just put the top on here. And I'm just going to blend that for 15 seconds. And this is what that clean water looks like. That is just brown sludge. I have no idea how long I've been drinking that, but it seems like something in the top, maybe a seal or something is broken. It smells like motor oil, some kind of grease, burned grease. It's absolutely disgusting. I have no idea how long I've been drinking that added to my protein shake, but I'm going to try to return this as quickly as possible. It's absolutely disgusting.